beside me, he is a consistent honor student. He is LSGH, or La Salle Hills, that's right. Baseball player, and take note, he is a fashion model.
Wow!
Obvious naman, di ba?
I think pwede example, fashion. No, just kidding, it's okay. So that is Zach Macaso. We're very excited to hear from him. Because later, during this segment, we're going to hear from them what they saw in this immersion program. But before that, I'd like to introduce you also another lovely speaker here. Her name is, once again, is Ari Ariana. She's a consistent honor student, proud mom over here, and top of her class. She's also Executive Council Officer of the South Green Hills, being the first Vice President and only female core officer of the Student Council. Wow! And I can see her mom, Estela, always very focused, mother mode on. So now let's prepare some questions for them.
Are you ready? Oh, ano pala to? Pageant, no? First question. We will only give you 2 questions. Okay? First question. What did you learn during the 5-day immersion program with Forever? Who wants to start first? Alright, Zach.
So my experience in the work immersion program was kind of unexpected because I've learned a lot during the program. I have to be honest, I really learned so much values there. Because during the program, I learned what's the real world, what's the business in the real world. Because in school, they didn't teach that in us. Well, during the time when they gave us an offer to sell products of Forever Living, they gave us commission out of it, which is good. And during the time when we were selling, there was obstacles that I've encountered. I've encountered that I have to find my target market. And finding a target market is actually hard because my friends, their target market was our batchmates. And I wanted that to be my target market. Well, I was finding a target market. And what I did was, I made my target market my family, which is a good thing because I'm a Muslim. And the products in Forever Living is all halal certified. Well, it means that I can offer to them. And I also learned that in Forever, during the program, I learned how to maximize profiting and minimize spending. It made me realize that if you maximize your spending and you maximize your profiting, you wouldn't enjoy your profit that much, right? So during the program, I really was keeping my profit. I was keeping the money what I was earning. And I'm so grateful that I was able to join the immersion of Forever Living because even though it was mandatory for us, grade 11 student, to join a work immersion, it was something that I experienced na if I didn't experience Forever Living, I wouldn't know what my passion is. Because you see, in life, I have a saying in life that life is a trial and error. And sometimes it goes good and sometimes it goes bad. Well, in my life, there's a lot of errors in my life. Like, let's say I became a social media manager before. And the pay there was actually good. The salary was good. But the thing is, I wasn't having fun. And when I joined Forever, when I tried the immersion in Forever, I was earning money in just 3 days. I earned 20,000 pesos in just 3 days. And me earning money pa, I was having fun. I was having fun advertising to people, marketing to people, which is a good thing. And I can definitely say it's not an error. It is something better than an error. It is something that I think it is my passion. And that's what I realized in Forever Living. And I just want to say, my mama generation, the young ones, that even though we're young, age does not limit what we want in life. You just have to work for it and go for it. Thank you.